Hi, my name is Rob. I'm a London born native British English speaker who has spent the last decade living and working in Southeast Asia, countries including Thailand, Malaysia, Cambodia, Singapore, and Vietnam. I love exploring new places, cultures, cuisines, and people who share my curiosity and enthusiasm. I have helped English learners improve skills online and in various settings such as boardrooms, lecture halls, classrooms. I have collaborated with some of the leading corporate names across different global industries, from fashion, motor, cosmetic, and finance to tech. I believe that education should cater to each student's unique needs and interests and provide a stimulating and supportive environment where they can grow in confidence, intellect, emotion, and social skills. I strive to create such an environment in my lessons where students are encouraged to express their ideas and take risks. I want to assist students in unlocking their own potential as well as making the lessons content engaging and relevant. I hold an MBA and a master's degree in hotel management and tourism, a BA honours in business administration and marketing, as well as being qualified in TEFL and TESOL. I have been teaching IELTS, business, and general English, and I am equipped to teach students who want to produce professional, natural, and fluent sounding English. Thank you for your time. Hope to speak again soon. Bye bye.